Blog Smart.
Sometimes you want to add a video to a post or a page on your website. To do that, we've made it easy on you by adding these icons within the WYSIWYG. So for instance, if you want to add a YouTube video, all you have to do is go into YouTube, find the specific video that you want to add, copy the URL, and then back in your website, just click on the YouTube icon, and then it shows you an example URL. Just paste the URL that you just copied. It should look similar to the example there, and click OK. In the back end of your website, it will look like this with a code. All you have to do is click Save, and then when you preview this post, on the front end of your website, you'll notice the video is embedded, and so you can just click play and watch it directly from the website. However, sometimes when you're blogging, you'll come across videos that aren't on a site that we have an icon for. So for instance, here we have YouTube, Google Video, Dailymotion, Vimeo, VO, Vidler, and so forth. And so if you find a video on another website that we don't have an icon for, no problem. Let's use the Today Show, for example. So I'm on the Today Show's main website, and here's a video about tackling financial problems I want to add to the blog. I'm just going to click Embed. I'm going to copy the embed code. I can then close this window and go back into the blog. I'm going to paste the embed code. Now, because we use multi-user blogs, there are some security guidelines that we must follow to make sure nobody can hack into the website. So because of that, we are unable just to use this embed code and click Save and have it show up. So we do have to make some changes to the code. What you're going to want to do is first look for the source. And so for instance, it would look like this, src equals, and then in quotes will be a website. Just copy the URL and make sure you get the entire thing, entire URL that's within the quotes. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're just going to delete part of this code. And all we want is the iframe part. So I'm going to put a bracket. This is the square looking bracket. And then iframe, height equals and width equals. That's fine. We're going to close that bracket. And we're going to delete everything else in here. I'm going to go ahead and paste the URL that I just copied. So we have bracket, iframe, height equals, and then we have the height and the width that the embed code already had. We close that bracket, and then we have the URL or source in there. We're going to go ahead and now close the iframe. So we're going to do bracket, / iframe, and then close brackets. So the code will look just like this. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Preview. And you'll see on the front end of my on the blog, I have the video, and I can just click play and watch it directly from the website. If you have any other questions about embedding videos within your blog, just email Molly at realestatetomato.com.
Blog Smart.